Ladies and gentlemen, there are many things common between you and me. So let me ask you a question, that which incident do you remember always throughout your life? Yes, always. Let me share my story to you, which I always remember. Those days I was perhaps 5 or 6 years old. My tuition teacher came to my home to teach me and my siblings, my brothers and sister. Yes, we are 3 brothers and 1 sister. My tuition teacher came that day, and my 2 brother and 1 sister, they were sitting there with the teacher to study, but I was not going there. Teacher called me. Ranjay, what happened? Come here. I didn't go. Teacher again asked or called me. Ranjay, come here. I didn't go. Teacher became angry and he called me. Ranjay, come here. Come. And ladies and gentlemen, I started crying. Yes, because the time teacher called me angrily or in anger, I felt that I am going to be beaten, because it happened many times. At the same very time, my mother came to me, told to teacher that sir, perhaps he has not made his homework or not completed his homework. That's why he is not sitting. Then my father came at home from his office and he was watching all the things. And my father has told many times to me that beta, study well, okay, do your homework, then go to play. Okay, your first priority is to make your homework, to complete your homework, and your second priority is to play. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my father used to love me and my brothers a lot. Yes, but that day he was very much angry, very much, and I was being forced to sit there at the place of my brothers and sister was sitting to study. Then after some times my teacher went and my father took a bamboo stick and he told, Ranjay, come here. And he started beating me like anything. Yes, because as I told you, my father has told me many times, more than 50 times, that Ranjay, do your study well and complete your homework. But I didn't used to do that because I was into playing much more. I always wanted to play. I didn't want to complete my homework. And that's the reason my father was very much angry that day. And he started beating me like anything. I was crying and crying and crying. And the moment I was crying a lot, my elder brother came there and he pushed me back and he said to Papa, that Papa, this is not good. You are beating him like anything. Do you feel that if something will happen to him then? Then my father told, okay, then you came to save him. Okay, then I will see you. And he started beating him. My brother was crying and crying. My mother came there, but he didn't tell anything because my mother knew that if she will speak anything, then my father will stop her also. And that day, I realized that my brother was like an angel that day, because all the bamboo stick he took on his own self. He took my all pain, and that moment was very sad for me, for my brother, for my mother also. Then my father stopped beating, but that day I saw my brother, that how much he loved me, that he came there and he saved me and he took all my pain. Ladies and gentlemen, I remember this incident always. Or you can say that whenever I think of my brother, this incident come automatically in my mind. And this is the reason I want to share with you that what a person wants in his life, that he should be remembered all the time. All the time. And this is the thing, as I feel, that if we help to somebody who is really in scarcity of something, who is really in pain and who really needs help, and if we are helping them, then we are like an angel for them. And this is the reason, this is the thing, that that person will never forget you in his whole life. Yes, this is the thing. I, you, and all the people in the world, what they want, that they should be remembered always. Then why should not we help to others? Like many people in the world helping others, they want to help and they have been great people. Yes, we know many of them. So I encourage you, and this is my suggestion also, that we should come up. We should take one step forward to help the people so that they can be happy and they will also not forget us in his whole life. And if everybody will be doing like same, then in whole world everybody will be happy, because everybody will be helping to each other. And imagine that how the world will be that time when everybody will be helping to everyone, to each other. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ranjay Kumar. I'll meet you in my next story. Thank you.